Hi, my name is Leah and I'm the owner of Lialash Pro. In this course, I will teach you all about the photography and how to make your portfolio so much better looking. This course is a 5-part course which will cover all of the following: the importance of photo taking and the effect it has on your work, how bad photos can make the most beautiful work look bad, Photoshoot Setup, getting rid of extra shadows that ring lights alone can't get rid of, importance of photo taking consent, the difference between iPhone and DSLR cameras and which one I use and why, and showing yourself on camera. Your presence in your business is what's going to really set you up from the rest. So learn how I overcame my biggest fear, talking in front of the camera. We will go over lighting and the difference between ring light and glamcore, how to angle your light source to get the best lighting that complements your work, and I will also give you all the resources of where you can buy all the recommended products. We will also go over photo angles, how to take before and after pictures that match, and the most important thing, photo editing. We will be going over the difference between editing yourself and delegating and outsourcing, how to edit yourself using apps, how to organize your client photos so you can find it quickly and conveniently, the rule of threes and how to crop photos to complement your work, how to hire professional editors at a minimal cost, how to create job posts to attract the editors that you want, and the impact editing has on your photos. Not only that, but I will give you my personal editor's contact info so you can get your photos edited for a fraction of a cost with my trained editors. We have also included a bonus chapter in this course where we will go over more editing examples to show you how different photos can use different editing tricks based on various needs, different clients, and different lighting. I will also show you how to watermark your work without taking away from the photo. And once you finish the course, you guessed it, certification included upon successful course completion. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started and let's get those pictures rocking.